Hi, as I walk through my words, just a little invite to an upcoming workshop called Reclaim Your Power Through Anger Work. All the information will be below, and I'd love to welcome you. It's so powerful when, especially as women, we can allow and connect to the feeling of anger and rage even that may be suppressed in our systems. And we have a lot to be angry about, like often from the past. A lot of us have had difficult experiences with men, and if not, it's really out there in the collective and the patriarchal systems we live in. There can be a lot of anger there for women that often goes unacknowledged, unexpressed, and it creates kind of stagnancy in the system, and it can block everything up. And when you can unleash some of that anger, it can help you come out of a freeze state and come into more power, more energy, more aliveness, and more capacity to speak your truth in a clean way with those around you. So it's really, really powerful work, and I'd love to welcome you to join a circle of women to start to explore this work together, or if you're already doing this work, to go deeper into this work in community with other women. For me, it's completely transformed my health and life, and I've also witnessed in clients working with anger, expressing anger, giving space to anger, being a part of deep health transformation. So I'd love to welcome you to this workshop, and I hope you can join me and be in circle with women exploring anger work for health, for healing, for wholeness, for liberation, for living a more fully empowered and enlivened and true life.